I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Well, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Well, darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future.
Jangan lupa datang ke tempatnya pemandian Lek Hijau. Alamat di jalan apa ya? Jalan Cirebon dan Bintang Lama. Tempatnya saya adem Sri lah. Ini tidak mahal biaya untuk masuknya kemarin saja per orang. Di jalan Bintang Lama tempatnya di pemandian di Aceh Besar. Jadi Anda bisa membawa keluarga, teman, pacar atau siapa saja yang Anda cintai. Ya kan, di sini tempatnya cukup bagus, bernuansa Islami dan asri lah. Karena tempat yang begini juga baru dibuka beberapa bulan ini. Semoga tempat ini selalu memberikan panorama yang baru, berikan tempat wisata yang baru bagi anak muda ataupun keluarga yang di kota Banda Aceh dan Aceh Besar sekitar. Semoga ini bermanfaat bagi semuanya. Kunjungi segera Lek Hijau Aceh Besar Jalan Bintang Lama. Oke, dadah.